So when the school started contacting us about Dylan, we were in uncharted territory. It was very hard for myself and my husband as parents because this was actually the first time that we noticed an issue with Dylan.
Early intervention is important because these are formative years that we're going through right now. Not just academically, but to help them socially and emotionally, to make friends, to share, to behave, to listen, to be themselves within the school setting. It prevents issues later on, behavior issues, stigma, alienation. It's better to get them started early to get the ball rolling in the right direction.
What Jamie did was she kind of took all the resources that we had been working with and kind of pulled them together, and she sat down with each one of those people, or if it's a therapist or the neuropsych or the teacher and then my husband, but basically said we have to have the same goal for Dylan.
What makes Team Esteem so unique is that we have a collaborative approach where we reinforce each other's goals, that being the speech, the OT, PT, and myself. So we're able to collaborate, reinforce the goals that we all have for each other, and be able to implement it much more quickly than usual. So all hands are on deck with this approach to the child.
Dylan was a success story because we were lucky enough to find the right resources.